What's going on, amigos? It's me again. I am cooking oatmeal yet again. It's almost done. And this time I put some, I don't know if you can see it, but some blueberries in my oatmeal towards the end because you don't want to put them too early, because if you put it too early, then it's gonna get all mushy, and also they're gonna get too hot, and you don't want hot blueberries in your hot oatmeal. I feel like my channel is becoming an oatmeal channel, but that's okay. We're going with the flow. Here's what I wanted to say. There is an expression in Russian that involves oatmeal. The expression is Kasha в голове. Oatmeal or porridge is kasha in Russian. And when you say Kasha в голове, like oatmeal in your head, that means that you're just so confused by what's going on around you that you feel like you have oatmeal in your head. Sounds weird, but it makes sense. You know why it makes sense? Because when I'm making oatmeal, I usually have to stir it a lot in order to prevent it from getting burned here at the bottom. Of course, if you're a smarter person than me, then you just probably lower the heat. But, there's a learning curve to everything, including making oatmeal. Because you are stirring it while making it, you feel like, whenever you're confused, you feel like all of that is happening in your head. So that's why it's like kasha in my head. Because I'm confused and I don't know what to do. Like yesterday I was working on 2 presentations at the same time, and I was getting the facts mixed up. I was getting the 2 presentations really mixed up in my head. So I really felt like saying, у меня такая каша в голове. I don't know what's going on. I'm feeling really confused. У меня такая каша в голове. Everything is just like so mixed up in my head. So there you have it. Oatmeal, Russian language, cool phrases. It's all on this channel. So make sure to subscribe to Lingo Junkie YouTube channel and share this video with anybody who you think will enjoy it. Take care of yourself. See ya.